Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMN examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says, two cars X and Y are approaching each other with a velocity of 36 km per hour and 72 km per hour respectively. The frequency of the whistle sound as emitted by a passenger in car X heard by the passenger in car Y is this much. So let us visualize this question. You have been given a two car. Suppose this is car X and this is car Y. Both are approaching each other. Car X is approaching towards Y and this Y car is also approaching towards X with the speed of 36 km per hour. And car Y having the speed of 72 km per hour. Okay. The frequency of the whistle sound is emitted by car X. So the car, when they are approaching each other, the car X produces a whistle which will be heard by car Y. And since they are these two bodies are continuously in motion, so the frequency with which the frequency of the whistle heard by the car, the person sitting in the car Y, must be different from the frequency with which the car X has sent the signal. Okay, so this is a question for Doppler shift, so there will be shift in the frequency and we'll be making use of the Doppler equations in order to solve this question. Okay, and the person Y in the car hears this much of frequency. Okay, so let the original frequency sent by the person in car X is F0. Okay, so this heard frequency is given by relationship, F is equal to F0. F0 is the original frequency sent is equal to V plus minus velocity of observer divided by V plus minus velocity of sender. Okay, so in this particular situation the speed are given in kilometer per hour, so it has to be converted into meter per second. We already know that this would be, if I'll convert it into meter per second, it would be equivalent to, we have to multiply it by 5 by 18, so we'll be getting 2, so it would be 10 meter per second. So its speed is 10 meter per second. What about this one? So it would be again 72 by 5 by 18, which is 4, so it would be 20 meter per second. So its approaching speed in meter per second is 20 meter per second. Also the speed of the sound, which is the V over here, okay, is also given to you. Now velocity of observer is also given to you, velocity of observer is also given to you, and velocity of sender is also given to you. So this heard frequency is 1320, so it must be equal to F0. The original frequency we have to calculate is F0, so it must be equal to 340. Here if observer is approaching towards the car B and the sound is also coming from the same direction, then the relative motion would be added up. So here it would be V 340 plus velocity of observer, which is 20. Now again it is 340. Now the sender is also moving the same direction. Now the relative speed would be negative because it is also moving the same direction as well as all, and the whistle produced sound which is also moving in the same direction, so it would be negative now, so it would be minus 10. Okay, so we'll be solving it so that we'll get an expression. So it would be equivalent to 360 by 330, so 3131312, so you'll be getting 1320 into 11 divided by 12. Okay, you have to solve this expression and you'll be getting final answer. So let me just solve it. So the final answer that we are getting is 1210. Okay, so this is the final expression that we are getting. So you have to solve it and in order to get this particular value. Okay, I hope this question is also clear to you. Thank you.